Hello everyone, it's Tablescape Tuesday. I'm so excited to be participating in this collaboration. It's hosted by Anna at The Grace Life, DIY Home Decor, and Courtney at Amethyst Adventures. Make sure you go by both of these ladies' channel and check out what they're doing. I will have their channel information listed down in my description box. Before I go any further, I would just like to take this moment to commemorate all of the women as well as the men who are still in the fight for breast cancer. Admire the survivors, honor the taken, and never give up hope. For my tablescape, I decided to go with a romantic fall feel. I'm using the colors Eucalyptus Sage Green, Eggplant, and Amethyst. This shade of green, along with the eggplant and amethyst, creates a cohesive color palette which has so many different possibilities. I'm going to place this eggplant colored satin overlay on top of my table covering. These colors go so well together. It just screams fall. This color is so rich and bold. I will now add this violet amethyst runner to bring in more robust color. I don't know about you, but I am falling in love with this color combination. More than likely, these will be the colors I use for my Thanksgiving table. Now I'm going to add my chargers. These are my gold crocodile motif chargers. I've had them for a while. I'm only doing a romantic place setting for 4. These are some ivy and great plates that I got at a thrift store about 3 years ago. It's amazing the things that we have in our house when we're just trying to do something really quick. The creative juices will start to flow. These are bowls that I bought at the Dollar Tree. I spray painted them white. These pumpkins are also from the Dollar Tree. They were orange. I painted them white. Left the stems on there is gold. And all of this just pairs together so nicely. It looks romantic, yet it's elegant all at the same time. For stemware, I chose my dark amethyst wine goblets with a beautiful crystal detail that add drama as well as style. These match everything perfectly. Let's take a look at how everything is coming together. Let's go ahead and add some golden flatware to tie things together. This matches perfectly. So I have these apple green glazed maple leaves that I bought a few years ago. I'm going to try to play with these golden acorns. I'm going to sit them in the center. As you see, I had them on top, but the center is the best place for them to be. This is a fall vine that I sprayed. And so I'm just going to add it to the table to just kind of add some more color. In between these vines, I've kind of hidden some clear candle holders that I bought from the dollar store. And so I have the prettiest spiral long taper candles that are amethyst as well. Here are some more picks that I got from the dollar store. They were just around the house. So inside of my leaves, I kind of wanted to place some pumpkins, but I still want to keep my gold theme going. So I'm going to scatter them throughout my floral piece that sits on the table. And I think everything looks so beautiful. Okay guys, it looks like we have everything all put together. I think everything looks beautiful. So tell me, what do you think? Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. I hope this has given you an idea how to use some different colors for the Thanksgiving holiday. My name is Kathy, and the name of my channel is Creating with Miss Kaye. Have a blessed day.